everyone, so I have the Walmart beauty box to share with you. I believe this is the summer one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the summer one. So I really love the colors on it. It's my favorite color. And you just get a little card in here that says embrace your beauty. And then enter to win a $100 gift card. So the first thing I got was this Soft Soap Earth Blends moisturizing body wash, and it is in coconut and fig, just a little sample size, and it does smell really good, so I'm excited to try that. And then I got a Pantene Foam Sheer Volume Conditioner. This looks interesting. I'm excited to try that as well. I'm excited to try everything in the box. I got a Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. Glides on smoothly to lock in hydration and create gradual subtle color, fair to medium. I may or may not use this, so I may just pass it on. Then I got a Hello Sensitive Relief. This is natural friendly soothing mint with coconut oil toothpaste. And I'm super excited about this because I've been wanting some of these, but they're so expensive. So it says it's new, the 3-day whitening boost kit, whiter teeth in just 3 days, 6 custom fit whitening strips, and it's by Rembrandt. I've been wanting to try whitening strips. I'm looking forward to that. And then I got a acai berry revitalizing sleeping mask. And it's restorative overnight mask, brighten and renew. I really need to get a good skin routine in, so. And then we just have some little cards. Just information on the soft soap. And a coupon for $2 off of Rembrandt. And one about the Hello toothpaste. So yes, if you get this box, let me know what you got, and thank you guys for watching.